Hello and welcome to my channel. In this channel I will be telling you guys about birds, about parakeets, budgies, dogs, cats, and gymnastics. So I just want to introduce the birds to you guys, just so you guys know what my parakeets' names are and what they look like. And I'll also tell like 2 minutes, like a good 2 minutes of of care for budgies. Blue one is raspberry. Say hi. And the green one is nutmeg. Good job. I love when you talk to me. And so let's skip on to the care. When you get your bird, make sure you let it settle in your house. Because if you don't let it settle in your house, it's gonna get really mad at you, and it's gonna be super duper scared, and it's not even gonna fly out of the cage like my birds might, because my birds are kind of tamed. 50 out of 50, 50 out of 100. And that's it that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will have another video coming up soon. Bye, guys.